Today I'm going to show you how to make this really cool mini boomerang. It really is dead simple to make. You just need to draw a boomerang shape onto a piece of cardboard and cut it out. The first one I made measured about 4.5 centimeters here and here. It was about 1.5 centimeters wide, and it had an angle of about 120 degrees here. To use it, you just balance it on the end of your fingers, point it so it's aiming up a little, and give it a good flick with your other hand. If you get it right, it should spin up into the air and return to you within catching distance. It takes a bit of practice, but it really is fun to do. You can try making one out of any old cardboard. For this one, I'm using an old pizza box, or you could use an empty packet of cereal. I don't think it really has to be exact, but if you like, you can use a ruler and a protractor to make it neat and symmetrical. And of course, once you've cut it out, if you like to, you can colour it in, or draw on a design. Let it dry, and it's ready to use. For this one, I used some coloured cardboard and made a far smaller one. The dimensions are approximately 2.5 centimeters here and here, 1 centimeter wide, and it had an angle of approximately 120 degrees again. It seemed pretty quick. It doesn't go that far, and with a bit of practice, it nearly always comes back. Pretty cool, huh? I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more, you can click on the links or take a look at my YouTube channel page. Stay safe, have fun, and as always, thanks for watching.